Well, certainly hope you had an opportunity to get outside at some point today. I mean, May-like numbers hit 74 at the airport. You will notice some cooler air not too far away. More on that in a moment. But let's go back over 3 decades ago. It was just beginning. It was known as the superstorm of 1993, storm of the century, white hurricane. It was certainly a historic nor'easter. We ended up anywhere from a foot to over 20 inches of snow. The mountains even higher. Some locations had 20 to 30 inches of snow. It caused tornadoes. It caused lots of power outages. And certainly it was a big storm impacting areas from Alabama all the way up into Canada. And yeah, that was 32 years ago, just starting on this date. Here's a nice scene of the warm air and the flowers that are in bloom. How about the crocuses? Margaret Johnson captured that nice shot today. Temperatures right now are still in the low to mid 70s across the region. It was much warmer down toward Buckingham and out toward Nelson County. Temperatures were in the mid to upper 70s this afternoon. So take a look at regional numbers now. You'll notice that cooler air off to our east. Well, that is a front that will continue to move south and west here tonight, what we call a backdoor cool front, and it's certainly allowing the 24-hour temperature change. You can certainly see that more significant off to our north and east. So a wind flow off the Atlantic and Bay waters is certainly going to cool numbers down, and we're going to be dealing with that tonight into tomorrow and Friday. So we've just got some high clouds filtering through our skies right now. Temperatures tonight, with more clouds developing and moving in, will settle into the lower 40s. Now we'll likely begin with a lot of clouds tomorrow morning. Then those clouds will mix out for sunshine, but the cooler numbers will be off to the east with the warmer air off to the south and west. So temperatures from, say, Buckingham to Nelson to Augusta and Rockingham will be around 70, where other areas will hold in the 60s. Now, again, this is above average for March, but it's cooler in comparison to the last several days. More clouds here on Friday. Could be some drizzle around, and then Saturday will start to warm back up. A few showers Saturday, but really honing in on Sunday. That's when a more potent cold front will impact the region. There'll be some severe storms out to the west on Saturday, and then by Sunday, that whole system will be shifting east. So rain, gusty winds, and possibly a few strong to severe thunderstorms, which we'll continue to monitor. In the meantime, things are quiet. All the energy for that next storm system is out across the west coast. Snow in the higher elevations, rain elsewhere, so the Cascades and the Sierras, and that storm system will pull out into the plain states. There'll be more severe weather breaking out across the midsection of the country, and that'll be working east as we head through the weekend. You can see the warmer air preceding any of that storm that's just beginning to organize. And so we look at futurecast. In the morning, we start in the low 40s. Lots of clouds around. We'll mix out for some sunshine. Temperatures again cooler, but still above average, 65 to around 70. We may have some drizzle around on Friday morning, and then Friday morning we start with a lot of clouds. Some of that will mix out for more sunshine, temperatures in the cooler 60s, and then we'll watch those temperatures warm back up with better rain chances this weekend, especially Sunday. Low 40s here tonight, mostly to variably cloudy skies. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast as temperatures do cool off a bit. But as we roll into the weekend, that's when our shower and thunderstorm chances increase. We'll watch Sunday, much cooler on Monday, but it's brief before temperatures warm right back up again.
All right, Eric, thank you much.